The United States has fully approved the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine for children. This is a major milestone in the country's fight against the pandemic. The age group decided by the White House is 5 years to 11 years, which makes about 28 million US children now eligible for a vaccine dose. Remember, the US is already inoculating children between 12 and 18 years. The authorization comes after an expert panel at the CDC weighed the risks and benefits. Officials say that the vaccine is 91% effective. While the decision is being hailed, the dosage is a tricky job for drug suppliers and doctors because the vaccine dose authorized for children is a third of the dosage that is given to adults. What this means is that smaller needles will have to be used and the second jab will be given 3 weeks after the first. Nevertheless, the rollout comes at a crucial time. The US has recorded the world's highest COVID-related death toll. In the last 2 years, about 750,000 people have lost their lives to the virus. Meanwhile, vaccination records show that nearly 80% of adults have received at least one jab in the United States, and almost 70% of American adults are fully vaccinated. The country has also been aggressively pushing for a booster jab campaign. Despite some parts of the country still experiencing outbreaks, the US has seen a steady decline in nationwide cases, hospitalizations and related deaths. Even after a high inoculation rate and a fall in cases, the US is marred by vaccine hesitancy in its population. Many parents are still reluctant to get their children inoculated. This might become a big hurdle in Biden's efforts to boost the vaccination drive in the country. And now let's take a look at some other countries which have already begun vaccinating the young. Cuba, for one, is inoculating the youngest age group in the world. Children aged 2 and above are eligible for a jab, followed by China and the United Arab Emirates, which are now inoculating children aged 3 and above. Bahrain and Chile are also extending their vaccination drives to as young as 5-year-olds. Meanwhile, the United Kingdom, France, Spain, Germany, Sweden and Canada have all decided to only vaccinate children above the 12 years age group. Some Asian countries like Singapore, Japan and the Philippines have decided on a similar route. Oceanic nations, New Zealand and Australia are also following the similar path. At the moment, Israel is administering vaccines to children aged 12 and above. But Prime Minister Naftali Bennett is slated to meet with top health officials, and the meeting is set to decide if an approval will be given to the Pfizer shot for children aged 5 to 11 years. Coming to India now, where the vaccination drive has not been extended to kids yet, so as the government slows down the reopening of schools, unvaccinated children are now returning to classrooms amid the reopening. It is being closely monitored whether the Indian government will conclude its trial and start vaccinating the children. WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.